First, we're going to do is create a new account. I'm going to go to this website here, go to login. We're going to click on this one. It just says attention on the bottom left. This will create a new account. This will show a disclaimer afterwards. And click I agree, hit go, and fill out the information to create your account. Once that's done, you can go back to the main page, go to the middle part where it says DEM, go to file selection, we'll bring up a map. Here we'll see all the DEM data for Japan. By default, Japan will have 5-meter resolution. Not all places will have 1-meter resolution. See, if I get close up and it's all grayed out, there is no information for 1 meter. But if it's white, there's information for that area. Download DEM, select as many tiles you want from the area you're interested in. We'll queue up a list and click download files. From here, it lists all the files. You want to click on this button here. It will download all the files into one zip file. Here you'll fill in your log information and click OK. After hitting OK, we'll give you survey information. You can just skip that. Since Japanese GIS files are non-standard to QGIS, we'll need to download the DEM tool from icarus.co.jp and click on the download here to download the program. Then extract all the files from the data you downloaded, and extract the data from those zips into its own folder. Next, we'll go into our DEM tool, and we're going to double-click Convert and Merge. It will give you a prompt. Click OK. We will want UTM projection, so put in 1. It will give you a UTM zone prompt. You can look up UTM zones in Google. For this example, you can see the range from 51 to 56. I know this data set I downloaded is from range 54, so we'll put 54 in. Click No for shaded relief. Then select the folder where you unpacked your dataset and click OK. Click on Yes, and it will process the data into TIFFs. Depending on your system, it will usually take a minute or 2. Now in our folder, it's generated the TIFFs for that area. And now we can drag and drop the TIFFs into QGIS. We're going to select a Google base map to start and drag and drop our TIFFs into QGIS. Once it's loaded in, we can select layer, right click on it, and zoom to layer. And now we have our DEM data for Japan in QGIS. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful, and see you in the next video.